If you think I'm crazy, comment below and tell me I'm full of crap. And after 24 years in the military community, I know what it means to operate on a thin budget. We're used to optimizing everything for our careers, our physical fitness, operating budgets, and team dynamics, but we often neglect optimizing our personal finances, or at least investing more than a TSP or 401k that someone else is controlling on your behalf. Let's be honest, man. If you're looking at gold and silver as a wealth hedge right now, you're doing one of two things. You're already flush with cash, or you've seen gold and silver prices skyrocket out of reach to even imagine starting to invest in them. I've been there, serving in the military, starting a family, building a career, and learning there's more to investing than putting a paycheck into your IRA or TSP. Sometimes you want physical assets in case the market turns against you or money stops being a real thing. Less than 10 years ago, gold was under $1,700 per ounce and silver was around $20 per ounce. This year, gold has risen to over $4,000 an ounce in 2025, and silver, it has doubled to well around $50 per ounce and is now near $90 to purchase at this time of recording. But even a few ounces of silver or grams of gold can take away the few dollars you have to invest in, while on a budget for the average man, supporting his family. So what if I told you the best, most overlooked metal to stack is already in your pocket, and you've been spending it every day? Stick with me for the next few minutes and I'll show you how a 5-cent piece of copper and nickel is your immediate liquid wealth insurance, and how to start collecting a day and without paying any broker fees or transaction tax. Welcome back to the channel, man. This is the spot where military veterans and civilian men can come to talk about the only 4 stacks that truly matter in this life: family, faith, wealth, and career. This is the Berzerker Brotherhood, and after 24 years in the military community, I know what it means to operate on a thin budget. We're used to optimizing everything for our careers, our physical fitness, operating budgets, and team dynamics, but we often neglect optimizing our personal finances, or at least investing more than a TSP or 401k that someone else is controlling on your behalf. Today we're talking about the low-budget precious metal stack that even the newest airman can start tonight. It's an exercise in discipline, patience, and recognizing hidden value, all traits we learned in service. And a quick heads up, the best tip converting this metal stack into cash without losing a single cent in fees is coming up. We've all been watching our favorite YouTuber when they stop midstream to hawk their sponsor, who happens to be a random gold IRA investing company or bullion company to build wealth and security, or a thumbnail goes titled, "My 50,000 gold haul." It creates pressure, doesn't it? A feeling that if you don't drop a month's mortgage payment on bullion, you're either missing out on a great opportunity or you're just a financial failure. And that's a bold-faced lie. The reality is, true wealth strategy starts with what you can afford, consistently right now. It's about building a habit and maintaining it, even when things seem bleak or confusing. That's why one way to start investing with as little as the change in your pocket is by ditching the idea that you have to buy gold and silver, but focusing on pocket change, and the US nickel specifically. This isn't about face value 5 cents. This is about the internal metal value and its liquidity. It's the poor man's precious metal stack, and it builds the foundational discipline you need before you can even think about buying an ounce of silver or a gram of gold. Okay, let's get technical for a second. The modern US nickel, the one you're finding in your change jar or laying on your nightstand, has a specific formula that makes it valuable. It is 75% copper and 25% nickel. Now you can search for the current spot price of these metals. As of late 2025, while the value fluctuates, the metal content alone in that little 5-cent coin can often creep up to 7 or 8 cents. You're holding 5 cents of value plus up to 3 cents of intrinsic metal value. To break it up for clarity, at the time of making this video, copper is running 5.47 cents per pound or 34 cents per ounce, and nickel is about $7.5 per pound or 47 cents per ounce. Check my math. Think about that. Every time you get a nickel back in change, you're getting a tiny immediate hedge against inflation. It's a 5-cent purchase that is immediately worth 40% more than you bought for it, based on the scrap value alone. The real secret is accessible. You can start today, and you can teach your kids a simple lesson of finding hidden value in plain sight. It's a family wealth lesson hiding in your couch cushions. Here's where the nickel crushes gold and silver for the average guy on a budget: liquidity and fees. When you buy a single ounce of silver from a coin dealer or a reputable broker, you're paying what's called a premium or dealer spread. You might pay $35 per ounce for silver, and that's only worth $28 on the spot market. That's a built-in loss you take the moment you buy it. Let's call it a vet tax for trying to get real money in your hands. You have to wait for the spot price to climb just to break even. Gold's fees per spot price is even higher, but you might not notice it as much because the spot price is so high to begin with. But with nickels, it's already cash. Zero premium. You acquire it at face value at 5 cents. There's zero conversion fees. You need emergency cash? You don't have to go to a broker to liquidate it. You take the rolls to the bank or to a coin machine and get your cash without a middleman, taking a cut of the principal. You trade 5 cents for 5 cents. It's that simple. Immediate, no-fee liquidity is a true win for a man living paycheck to paycheck. If you don't have the time or want to be bothered to convert it, just call it weightlifting and haul these rolls of nickels to the grocery store. Legal tender while containing actual copper and nickel. This is a stack you can build for your family's future. It's simple, low risk, and disciplined for wealth creation. And as an added bonus, it will be hard for a robber to run off quickly with all these rolls of nickels. Alright, as men, including those of us who've served, we thrive on discipline and tangible results. Stacking nickels is a weekly, visible reminder of your commitment to your family's financial stability. You may look at it and you may feel a little silly piling up pocket change. But remember, those nickels contain real metals with real value, and collect enough of them and you can trade them in for silver or gold or food, whatever you feel like it or whenever you feel like it. We all know as time moves, the dollar has lost its value due to inflation. They keep printing money at the Treasury or just adding zeros to the bank accounts. All coins have intrinsic value of the metals they are made of. The dollar may lose value on its face, but the metals will retain their value and never go to zero, unlike paper money, which can only be burned for heat. So why nickels? A modern penny is 97.5% zinc and 2.5% copper at 2.5 grams. A dime weighs 2.268 grams and contains 25% nickel, 75% copper. A quarter weighs 5.67 grams and contains 91.67% copper and 8.33% nickel. The amount of dollars in paper or electrons to collect each coin makes it the most advantageous to focus on nickels. Why? Nickels weigh 5 grams and are 75% copper and 25% nickel mixed in an alloy called cupronickel, which is used in industry and has been unchanged since the 1860s, except during World War II. They are the most bang for your buck, literally. All coins are better than paper, but the best return on your minor investment is in nickels based on the weight and the amount of copper and zinc within them versus the cost of obtaining them. Doing this connects your faith, building your house on a rock, not sand. Small, consistent actions over time build a fortress. It connects to men supporting men. This is the advice I wish a brother senior NCO or FGO had given me fresh out of field training. Forget the fast money, focus on consistent, foundational habits. Pass a simple, no-excuse strategy on to the younger guys in your life. Don't let them fall for their get-rich-quick noise. No excuses. A nickel found on the floor is a nickel earned and stacked. The simple truth is, you can't afford not to stack something. Start with nickels. They're 75% copper and 25% nickel. They provide immediate liquidity with zero brokerage fees, and they build the financial discipline required for true long-term wealth. While you may not have the funds to get gold and silver to start your stack now, you can start with nickels until you have enough that it makes sense at the right time to convert those coins into other metals that take up less room and weight. If you think I'm crazy, comment below and tell me I'm full of crap. But if this struck a chord with you, and if you're ready to start small and stack smart, I need you to do me a favor. Comment nickel below right now and let me know you're starting this challenge, and tell me how many rolls you're committing to stack this month. And while you're at it, hit the like button. It tells the algorithm that this is the kind of practical, wealth-building content other veterans and good men need to see. Please understand, building wealth for your family isn't a hobby, it's an operation. This is an easy, small way to start saving physical assets that don't cost you any extra fees. It may sound goofy, but if the dollar ever fails, you'll be glad to have these small denomination coins that can be traded, melted, exchanged, and used in other metalworking trades. It's zero cost and guaranteed to change the way you see your current income. And finally, if you know one other man, a wingman, or brother who needs a simple financial win right now, hit that share button and send this video his way. And if you like this content at all, check out this video over here or this one here on the rest of Berzerker Brotherhood. Men support men, so let's get back to work. Berzerker Brotherhood, out. Rico says bye.